My name is Meshach Itumo. The area where we are situated is an arid land. Most people here are poor. You'll find many kids are destitute, they are orphans, so they are unable to help. I can say the most basic need which is needed here right now is water, which right now we do not have. Water here is scarce. We only have rain twice per year and we can't plant vegetables. Right now we collect the water from the bowl, which is 2 kilometers from here, which is a bit far. Sometimes the house mother and the kids go and collect it, or when we have the money, we just engage someone from around to bring it, but we have to pay for the water, which is a bit expensive. The water pump will be of great benefit to the orphanage. We'll use it for washing, drinking, farming, and selling it to the community, because the community around doesn't have a lot of water. The biggest challenge is water.
Wenn du uns unterstützen möchtest, dann spende hier. Und ich garantiere dir, dass jeder Cent unmittelbar dem Projekt zugutekommt. Vielen Dank, Asante Sana, für deine Unterstützung.